Hi, I'm Ray Mikus with Greenlight Real Estate in Montpelier, Vermont. 2019 was a great year for the Central Vermont real estate market and a great year for us at Greenlight Real Estate as well as our clients. As always, for more information, for more articles, and to search for homes for sale, check out our website at www.greenlight-realestate.com or visit us on Facebook. Also, I know people are busy. This video is just a few minutes long. You don't have to watch it all at once. You can come back. Before diving in, I want to give some props and I want to give some perspective. So this report is only comparing trends over the past 5 years, from 2015 to 2019. Also, I do have to give shout outs to a couple of the smartest people that I know who guided my methodology. That would be my dad, who's a stats teacher, and my brother, who is an accounting CPA and a PhD candidate. They gently corrected me. I had always liked to use averages in these reports, and they corrected me that median would be more accurate. So here we go. I'm using median. One more small bit of housekeeping. Sometimes I talk about U32 towns, or just U32, and those are the 5 smaller towns that surround Montpelier and Barre. It's Berlin, Calais, East Montpelier, Middlesex, and Worcester. Now they all have their own elementary schools, but they feed into the same middle school and high school, which is known as U32. I count those all as one market, one submarket for the real estate. Now, let's get started on some of those numbers. The first number that's really important is the median sale price of houses. In this market since 2015, the median sale price has gone up over 12%, from $172,000 in 2015 to $196,000 in 2019. And Barre City, holy cow, 21% increase in the median sale price, 18% in U32. And here is why this matters. If you own a house, then you want to find the value, a realtor or an appraiser is going to look at recent sales or comparable sales, comps, which perhaps you've heard of. And as the sale prices of these comparables goes up, your value goes up. That's why it matters. The next number that we pay attention to is the number of sales. Again, we're seeing consistent increases over the past 5 years. Those 5 U32 towns saw an increase of over 30% in number of sales since 2015. And Northfield, Williamstown market saw an increase in the number of sales of just under 30%. Those are all really strong numbers. In fact, the only town that had any inconsistency at all was Barre Town. The number of sales went from 79 to 109, back to 86, and then back to above 100. And honestly, I'm not going to pretend to know what caused that, but I will say that with over 80 sales each year in Barre Town over the past 5 years, at Greenlight Real Estate, we're not concerned about that inconsistency at all. The set of numbers, though, that really blew our minds was the days on market, the median number of days on market, time it takes to sell a house. Central Vermont market saw a 38% decrease in the days on market, and that is huge. We're talking a change from 63 days to sell a house in 2015 to 39 days in 2019. Montpelier, holy cow, median days on the market in 2019 was 10 days. Side note, as these times are speeding up, we're seeing a lot more multi-bid situations. And at Greenlight Real Estate, we coach our clients with strategies to win multi-bid situations as buyers, get the house, and to get the best situation possible as in multi-bid as sellers. Call us and we can help you. All of these numbers are pointing to a really strong, fast-moving market in Central Vermont. And the last set of numbers that we track is for multifamily properties. We work with a lot of investors and owner-occupant multifamily buyers and sellers. Here we're talking about duplexes, 3 units, and 4 units. Most of the inventory here is in Montpelier and Barre City, so that's where we're taking these numbers from. Now, the number of sales just exploded in 2019. 2015 through 18, we saw between 12 and 18 sales each year. But then 2019, sales almost doubled to 35 sales in those 2 markets. And what's interesting to us is that you'd think that prices would have gone up a lot too, supply and demand, but prices didn't. Median sale price per unit for duplex sales were $52,500 in Barre City in 2019 and $135,000 per unit in Montpelier. And let's be honest, some of these numbers are skewed because there were some real stinkers that sold, some foreclosures and neglected properties. Some of them are quite literally stinkers. When you see a house for $25,000, there's a reason. Investors have been doing a good job at getting these houses renovated and back into inventory, which is always good for the housing market. That's for renters as well as homeowners, and at all price points. That's it for the 2019 year-end report for the Central Vermont real estate market prepared by Greenlight Real Estate. But before I end this, I just want to express gratitude. Thank you to all of our friends, our clients, the agents that work here, the people that work with Greenlight Real Estate, all of our supporters. In 2019, Greenlight Real Estate helped more than 160 families and households buy or sell real estate, and that's a lot. That means a lot to us too. Even more though, more than half of those came from past clients, people who know us personally, and referrals. It means so much when people make the effort to recommend that their friends and their family work with Greenlight Real Estate. So whenever you or people you know have questions or want advice about real estate in Montpelier, Barre, Williamstown, U32, and the rest of Central Vermont, just call or email, or have them call or email us. Of course, there's a lot more information, more articles, agent bios on our website for sale, or if you want to look for houses for sale in the area as well. And that's www.greenlight-realestate.com, or check us out on Facebook. Thanks for watching. This is Ray Mikus. I'm the owner and principal broker of Greenlight Real Estate in Montpelier, Vermont. I hope you're having an awesome day.